Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my new subscribers. It feels so good to actually be like talking to somebody now, so thank you for that. I just wanted to show you a really quick video of me making loose sandals fit me because I got them on Shein I got them on Romwe and they're just a little bit too big in the toe, so I just wanted to show you a quick way of how I'm fixing that because they were really affordable shoes. I think they were maybe $20 and they're really cute, but they just don't fit properly. So I just wanted to show you what I'm gonna do to make them work. So as you can see, they're just a little bit loose around the toes. The right one kind of feels like it's gonna fall off while I'm walking. So I just wanted to show you a quick way of fixing this so that you can still wear them even though currently they don't fit too great. So you're gonna use your yoga mat or any kind of thicker foam that you have. This is what I had on hand, and I figured my yoga mat could lose 1.25 inches of length. So I measured the width of the band of the shoe, and now I'm just going and measuring along the yoga mat. I wanted to do the entire side of the yoga mat instead of just cutting a little bit of a chunk off, just because that would bother me while I'm doing yoga. Next, you're just gonna cut this little piece off of your yoga mat. Next, I'm just measuring the length of the strip that I need, just kind of eyeballing it. Now here I'm checking the initial width and it's a little bit too wide. So when you make your first measurement, maybe subtract 1/4 inch from that or even 1/2 inch, just because you don't need it to be as wide as the band and you don't want to see it, of course, as well. And before you actually put the glue on, you got to make sure that it's going to fit on the inside of the band, which it was not fitting properly, so I'm just going to trim a little bit more. Again, all this is eyeballing because it really doesn't matter because you're not going to see this piece of foam. It's just for the cushioning so that you have less wiggle room in there. So once you're sure it's the right size, you're going to put your glue on. I wanted to make sure the darker side of the mat was facing up in case you did see it, but you don't end up seeing it anyway. You're going to glue it in with your hot glue stick and press it on until it's cool and dry. And then you're just gonna repeat this process until the shoe fits, basically. So my left foot is a little bit bigger than my right, so I did 2 layers on the right foot and just 1 on the left. And that's it. So that's how you make shoes that are a little bit too big fit you properly. I know you can see a little bit of the mat from this angle, but I don't think I've ever looked at anyone's feet from this angle before, so you would not be able to see them from above. Thanks for watching a nice and easy little project, and I hope to see you back soon.